This is practice test 4, problem number 3, and we'll be looking at letter C in this video. We have the empirical rule for a normal distribution stated at the top of the page, and the problem states that if the mean salary for a job is $30,000 with a standard deviation of $2,000, and then letter C asks us what percentage of job salaries are less than 24,000. So I have my normal distribution curve with my z-scores underneath it, and then under the z-scores I have the corresponding salaries. The mean is 30,000, and I'm going to add 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations to that as I go to the right. I'm going to subtract 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations as I move to the left. The question is, what percent of job salaries are less than 24,000? 24,000 is 3 standard deviations to the left of the mean. And so I am looking for the percentage of salaries that are less than 24, or I'm looking at this little tail on this end of the curve. Now, the third part of the empirical rule states that 99.7 or 0.997 of the area under the curve is between -3 and +3 standard deviations. I know that the entire curve is 1, and if I subtract 0.997 from it, I subtract this entire area from the 1, this area in the center, then I'm left with 0.003, which is both of these tails on the right and the left. And the tails are symmetric, or they're the same, so I divide by 2 and I end up with 0.0015, or as a percentage it's 0.15%. 0.15% is the percentage at each of these tails. So the answer to the question, what percent of job salaries is less than 24,000? The answer is 0.15%.